Alright, this is my camper floor, and I noticed some soft spots around the doorway. This just right at the edge. Here we go. We got, it comes back to here somewhere. It's pretty soft. Here it's nothing. I mean, and the further over we go this way, it's wow. There's nothing. I can't even really lean on it very hard. They make these things so damn cheap. It looks like about out to here, about at this line. So what I'm going to do is peel it back, the vinyl, just 2 or 3 board widths in the pattern. Try to flip it over without kinking it or damaging it anyway, so that we can't just lay it back down. I should add that this thing's been sitting here for a few years, and I'm guessing maybe the caulking around the door, I don't know how it got in, but somehow the water got in. Maybe, down in here there's a crack where these 2 pieces meet. I mean, everything looks visibly, it looks good. I don't see any cracked or shrunken up. I mean, everything looks good. It's flexible, but it is 13 years old. Somehow the water penetrated. I don't know if it's, this isn't really a watertight seal here, leaving that gap, but still, it's at the bottom of the door. It shouldn't catch much water. Anyway, the reason I'm recording this is in case I'm going to put something on YouTube. I'll do a step-by-step. First step is clean the floor a little bit, and then cut it and peel it open. Alright, cleaned up the floor. Got this trim off of here and a little bit of trim they I gotta get that yet. The best way to remove base trim, or any kind of trim, I wouldn't call it base trim, a wide putty knife or something, get behind, they're just stapled. Okay. Yeah, can't wait to see what's under here. Well, that ought to be pretty close. I'm going to see if I can pop it away from the side wall. Probably pinched in there. Doing this one-handed. Okay, the outside side wall won't come out, so I'm gonna have to make another slice. Okay, I cut 3 sides. Now the big reveal. See what we got. It's wet still. Looks like there's some sort of paper. I suppose, I don't know what that. Oh, nice. Nice. We got this pressed wood. You know, it ain't worth a shit. I can't believe it passes for any kind of building material, especially in a camper where they're prone to the leaks and water. But anyway, yeah, look at that. It's pretty soggy. Well, I'm gonna have to be careful not to crease this or rip it. I'll put something under it probably. Wow, this is wet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to peel up, figure out where to cut it. Might have to peel it back a little further, whatever it takes. Wet. I'd like to know where the water gets in.